The Siamang is a species of large tailless ape that belongs to the gibbon family, Hylobatidae, with the scientific name Symphalangus syndactylus. Siamangs are arboreal primates living in trees, native to the tropical forests of Sumatra, Indonesia, and the Malay Peninsula. They are the largest among all gibbon species, with a body length of up to 90 centimeters and a weight of about 10 to 14 kilograms. Their fur is thick and jet black. They have a large throat sac beneath the chin, grayish or black in color, which can inflate, and is used to communicate with loud calls that can be heard from a great distance.